I'm recording and sharing my screen. Okay, so college field you have seen. Okay, and we have seen like how we can create views on our form, right? And how can we can restrict a particular user for that view. Okay, then what is dictionary override? We have seen this also. Okay, and agile methodology, that is not related to Servicenow. And how the task work or task assigned to you daily. So these are just normal questions which they will ask you, like how you used to get work. So like if you are going like with someone, if they are going with fake experience or something, so they will surely ask you like what is like how you used to get work. So first thing is like some companies, they will give you email requirement. They will give you all the, like they will discuss you in call, like what is the requirement, like what actually they are expecting, like on change of this field what should happen, and when you click on this button what should happen. They give you this requirement in email, or if they have some tool like a rally or Jira, they will create ticket on that, so you can work on that. Okay, so that is the one thing. And sometimes like we have incident also, and sometimes develop like our business will create incidents, like for example, if you have developed your ServiceNow tool, okay, and that has went live, and after that went live they are facing some issues. Okay, like when you change some categories, subcategory is not populating, or group is not populating properly. So at that time they will not create a ticket, they will not like they will drop you an email just for your understanding, but they need to track that, right? So at that time they will create an incident, and they will assign to your assignment group. Like we have like there we will have our assignment group as ServiceNow developers, like this is our group. So they will create an incident and they will assign that to our group, like if anything is wrong with production, anything. So we have to work, like we developers have to work on that incident, and we have to make those changes, and then we have to close our that incident. Okay, so first thing is like when you are developing for the first time, they will give you requirement through email or some rally, Jira, user stories or something. But when your project is live and if they are facing some issues in prod, they will not inform you by creating a user story or defect. They will directly create an incident and they will assign that to your team. Like this also depends on your organization. They will guide you, like like example, like we have gone live, so they will like they will explain you, like client will create tickets, like to which group that will assign, and who will be the person developing, like taking care of prod issues. So all those things they will inform. Okay, and that is how you get work. And then what type of work admin gets and what type of work developer gets. This is for just basic understanding. Like for admin, like when you are 6 months or when you're new to service now, like add user, like add or create user, create group, or give role to a person, like these basic things. Then like these are add, just mostly they will give like this only, like add this new user or make that user inactive, those things. Okay, then create a group, assign this to that role to that group, or some like this is the basic configuration. And coming to development, like admin, what type of things admin develop, like add a new field, then make any field mandatory or read only, like mostly UI policy. He will create UI policy because that is very basic thing. Okay, so adding new field and adding UI policy, then create reports, add reports to dashboard. These are the basic things. Then working on say small things like small business rules, small client scripts, just 2 lines or 3 lines, such things admin will take care. Okay. And coming to developer, uh, these are the small things, and one or two more small things like email inbound inbound action, create notification or notification template, because there is no there we don't need any scripting or all those knowledge, right? We can directly hard code, or we can give something text there. So all these basic things admin will develop. And coming to developer, like if you want to write some big business rule, and if you insert something should happen, and you have to write some script includes, all those things that will be part of developer. Like if you want to import anything, like writing transform map, or if configuration of LDAP, and some complex thing like in every technology we have basic things and complex things, right? So basic things, like when you like for example, like your project has 2 developers and 1 admin, so directly a developer will pick their work, like they know what to pick. And remaining small things, like these small things you can pick up, like whatever you have confidence you can pick up. Like there is nothing particularly like this only admin should pick or this developer should pick. That is based on your confidence. If you are confident and if you want to go from admin to development within 2 or 3 months, so slowly you can take complex tickets on your name and you can work. But there is nothing like particularly this person should pick only small things, and this should developer should pick only hard things. Like if you are scrum master and if your team is allowing you, or if they are confident about your development, you can pick little complex also if you are confident. Okay. Okay. And if sometimes like there will be some scrum master or some TL, if they are dividing tickets based on priority or complex, so they know how to divide, like which ticket to give for admin and which ticket they have to assign for development. So no need to worry, so they will explain you. But these are the small things which admin will work. But if you go as the admin, like if you are putting some fake, or you are going with 1 or 2 years of putting a service now experience, then they don't expect only this. No one will ask admin. Like if you put like I have worked on only admin, like service now admin experience, no one will, like you will not even get interview calls also. So surely you have to put service now development experience. And ServiceNow development experience also in your resume. You have to write that I have written business rule, client script, you have written script include, all those things. Like you have to mention that impressive words, like complex scripting things, like transformation map, data import, you have done. So if you mention that thing, they will call you. If you put only admin thing and only this adding user, removing user, no one will even call you. Okay. Because if they train someone on ServiceNow for 10 to 15 days also, or even if he don't have any knowledge of ServiceNow also, everyone will know how to add, how to remove, how to do that. So if you put only admin experience, you will not get calls. And if you are putting experience, put experience at least of 1.55 plus or 2 plus, like 2.1, 2.2, but don't keep 3 or 3 plus, else they will ask you complex questions. Okay. Keep 1.5 plus in service now, or 2 plus. Like if Sharath is putting like he is working on .NET now, but he can put like I have worked on, earlier I was on .NET, but not from like 1 or 1.5 year I am working on service now. So without any issue you can move. Okay. So that is the thing. And for your practice, if you want to practice like how actually user stories will be, so we have Basico service now, his website. So go through his website. Where is that? Yeah, website. And in that we have this assignment. So go through first assignment, second assignment, this all assignment things, and he has some questions there, like he has given some user stories. So you can try, like if how confident you are, like what is your knowledge on service now. So when you go to this assignment 1, 2, click on that and scroll down. So this is your first user story. Like this is on incident management, incident management, incident management. Like when a user selects pending from state field drop down, then one new field drop down like sub status should be displayed below state field, okay, which contains values such as awaiting, all these fields. So what is the user story? Like whenever user select state as pending, then one more drop down should be visible, and that drop down should have these values. So that is one user story. So that is the one. And caller reference should be auto populated when the logged in user with logged in username, and we have done this, right? So same thing, when user login, so we have to show that user there. Okay, so same thing you can explore. Like this is about assign me button. Like whenever some tickets get created, right, and that is assigned to your groups, so there we create a new button, new UI action assigned to me. If you click on that, that particular ticket should get assigned to you. So how you should do, like go through that, or else you will get this code somewhere in community and YouTube also. So go through all these things. Like these are some basic things. And yeah, so they have given these examples also, like 7 to 8 you can see from here, this assignment, and practice those. And we have assignment 2 also, so you can practice even that from here. Here also they have, this is for catalog, like you can create a catalog from by yourself. So this whole thing is about catalog. Okay, then assignment import. Yeah, so go through this also. So you will like he's explaining the same thing, like how can you import a member role using XML, like we have seen, right? How we can export XML and how we can get XML. Like exporting and importing of XML is very easy. So that is the thing here, he's explaining that thing. So please go through that also. And this is about import and this is about export. Okay, and this is not like there is nothing. And if you want to see his videos, like you have the same thing on YouTube also, but he has created this website and he is updating all those videos here. And like if you want to learn some topic, like he has this topic like integration, REST integration, LDAP integration, you can directly click here, and he has document also and he has videos also. Then update, what is update set, what is schedule job, how to create role, what is release version, UI action, all those things he had tutorials here. So you can go through those. Okay, enough. And some of the important websites we have is the Basico and Servicenow Guru. Actually, that Servicenow Guru is not that active nowadays. Servicenow Guru, he used to be active 2 or 3 years back, but he's not active. But same like Stack Overflow, most of the things you can get from here, like that glide record cheat sheet which I have shared with you, right? So all those popular things you have here, like user object, like user get first name, last name, all those things in cheat sheet you have here. So you can check from here. So it will be helpful. Fine. Any questions on this? Sharath, Sai Kiran, Sohel. Like if you have any questions, then we will connect tomorrow. Else nothing is there to connect, because I'm sharing all the documents, all the questions, everything with you. Fine.
Yes, Gautam, no questions.
Okay.
Just share these documents. Yeah.
Yeah. And this is Basico Servicenow. If you click directly on Basico Servicenow website,
Yeah.
here you will get these things. Okay. And those remaining all things I will share with you, this interview questions and all those documents that might help you. And whatever, like just one thing, like as I have listed down all the topics which I have heard till now. So please do the same thing, so you can know like which topic you have heard and what is your confidence level on that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. And if you need anything, you can go through that two websites, which two YouTube channels which I have shown you, Basico Servicenow and SaaS with Servicenow, and they have very good explanation. So that will be enough for you. Okay. And if you need, like I have not uploaded videos from last 10 to 15 days. If you needed, I will upload that. But if you want to check that those from SaaS with Servicenow and Basico Servicenow, just based on topic, you can go through that. Okay.
Yeah, but upload that videos also. Gautam.
Yes.
So whatever we had classes, right?
Yes. Yeah. Okay. I will upload those, but I'm not confident about that service catalog things. Mostly those are not captured. So only you will miss service catalog, and remaining I will upload.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So nothing, no queries, right? So we can end our this whole session, Servicenow thing.
Yes, Gautam. Thank you.
Okay. And Sharat or anyone, if you have any question, like if you have any scheduled interview, or if you want to revise something, like if you have any queries, like what are the interview questions, or and if you attend any interview questions, and if you can't answer any interview questions, you can write down that. And if you want to connect with me to just get answer of that, we can connect anytime. And if you join as a ServiceNow developer anytime, and if you have any difficulty in understanding user stories or any development thing, also you can connect with me. Okay.
Okay, Gautam.
Okay then. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you, Gautam. Bye bye.